This dual dash camera records in full high definition from both front and rear, giving clear evidence of road events and license plates in most driving conditions. The included 32-gigabyte memory card and loop recording mean you can install it and forget about storage management while it continuously captures your trips. Wide-angle lenses on both cameras greatly reduce blind spots, so more of adjacent lanes, sidewalks, and parking areas are visible in the footage. Night driving is handled well thanks to a bright lens and image processing that keep details readable in low light rather than turning everything into dark blur. Installation is straightforward with a simple windshield mount, cigarette lighter power, and an optional rear camera connection that can tie into the reversing light if desired. Features like the impact sensor, parking monitoring, and automatic power on and off make this a practical everyday recorder rather than a gadget you constantly need to fiddle with.